this is Jeannie at Trendy Tree, and I wanted to show you how to put this little RAZ planner together. I believe this is RAZ product, but it's like a little tricycle type planner. It's distressed, it's made out of metal, and when you order it, it comes in this many pieces. So there's like a body, a wheel, two little metal baskets, and handlebars. Okay, so yes, this is RAZ. It is 3928840. So the first thing I'm going to do is take these little screws out. It has a little wrench and two little nuts. Okay, so I believe they are for attaching the little metal basket. It has two little places to attach it. So it just drops down in those slots. Okay, and then you just flip it over and put those little screws on or nuts on to hold it in place. I'm not going to tighten these real tight, but you do have a little wrench there that you can do. I'm just going to do them with my hands for right now. Well, I say I can, say I am. This would be a lot easier for younger hands, so don't pay any attention to that. So I'm just going to tighten it like that for right now. Okay, so then you have the wheel, and it has some threads inside it, so that just fits up in there. And then the handlebar has these little threads, so you drop it down in there and hold on to the wheel and make sure it's making a connection. And then you just screw that in to tighten it. And again, I'm not going to do it real tight. The wheel does turn. The back wheels don't turn, but it's just you know, it's just a little planner, and it's one of those little things that, to me, is a year-round type of planner, because I like getting something like this because you can decorate it a little bit for Valentine, Easter, spring, summer, fall. You can put little pumpkins in here, or even at Christmas time, you can put some little ornaments. So what I'm going to do today, and then the little front part just hooks, the little front basket just hooks like that. Okay? So that's just how you put it together. All right.